The biggest secret that the best traders in the world are keeping from you is what to do when you are confused and lost in price action. The answer is simple. Let's say right here you don't know what to do. We have just swept a lot of buy side liquidity. We are pumping up and you think you have missed the move. But what you need to do is look left. As you can see, we have this bearish fair value gap. Now with my day trading strategy, I do not short from fair value gaps like this. What I actually do is I wait for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap. This then means that this fair value gap that was a bearish fair value gap has now turned into an inversion fair value gap. I will simply enter into a long position. My stop loss will go if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and my take profit will simply be buy side liquidity that is resting in the market, which is also a start of a brand new bearish fair value gap. This day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate. If you want to watch me trade live every single day in the markets and join my day trading community, make sure you do. The link is in my bio. Biggest mistakes that new traders are making when they are coming into the markets is that they are simply trading fair value gaps incorrectly and not how they are meant to be traded. Sure, you can make money shorting from bearish fair value gaps, but if you want to find consistent profitability and make a lot from trading, then do this simple strategy. As you can see, we are respecting this bullish fair value gap down here. As well as this, we have created a bearish fair value gap. Now, I do not short from bearish fair value gaps like this, like most ICT traders do. What I do is I wait for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap. This now turns this bearish fair value gap into an inversion fair value gap. I will then enter into a long position. My stop loss will go if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap. My take profit will simply be buy side liquidity. This is the simple 80% plus day trading strategy I trade live every single day in my Discord. If you want to watch me trade live and join my trading community, make sure you do. The link is in my bio. Stop neglecting the higher time frame when you are trading in the markets. This is one of the most important things that people don't talk about. When you have a higher time frame bias and you have a draw on liquidity, it is 100 times easier to catch perfect trades. For example, here we are currently respecting this bearish fair value gap. Most ICT traders would be looking to go short from a bearish fair value gap like this because they simply don't know the direction of price action. What I do in this situation is I only take long positions from bearish fair value gaps. Now, the way I do that is I wait for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap. What this then tells me is that we are looking to take some sort of buy side liquidity. I will enter into a long position. My stop loss will be if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and my take profit will simply be buy side liquidity in the market. This is my simple 80% plus win rate day trading strategy I trade live every single day in my Discord. If you want to learn this day trading strategy and watch me trade live, make sure you join my community. The link's in my bio. It has never been easier to pass prop firms in 2024. All you need to be able to do is to learn how to trade fair value gaps correctly and not incorrectly like most ICT traders do. As you can see, we are currently respecting this big 1 minute bullish fair value gap. As well as this, we have this bearish fair value gap right here. Now, most ICT traders are only ever interested in short positions from bearish fair value gaps like this. What you should actually be doing is waiting for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap. What this means is that this is now an inversion fair value gap. You can enter into a long position here. Your stop loss simply goes if you get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and then your take profit is simply buy side liquidity that is resting in the market. Now, this is a strategy that has over an 80% win rate and a 100% win rate this week. All I do is trade liquidity and fair value gaps. If you want to watch me trade live in the markets every single day, make sure you join my Discord. The link is in my bio.